it is alive. Massive scare yesterday with a Q code error of 2.0 and the boot and VGA light staying on. Couldn't figure it out, decided to go to sleep because it was 2 in the morning. And turned out to be a display port, not plugged in all the way to the monitor. This is just a temp monitor. Anyway, I use for testing, especially when I make builds for the channel and stuff. So we got the side panel is on now. Everything's contained. You can see the 3 Noctua A1215s, I believe is what they are. The distro plate, that's my hardwood floor squeaking. It's an old house. All the lighting's done. This is a preset I had for Corsair IQ. It's called Poison. It's actually pretty cool. I really like the satin tubing. The 7mm offset is awesome. It's really keeps that GPU tube straight. So I ended up recutting one because I wanted to keep the original just in case. Everything's hand satined. Just use sanding discs. This is 1000 grit. I started with 500. That's all I really needed. I can reuse the sanding disc to kind of touch up the tubes because really almost anything like will mar it, so you have to rescuff it. It's only downside, I'd say. No leaks. Everything's so good. I'm tired, I'm happy, and now I have to lug this thing to my desk. Which, the only thing I'm not happy with is I'm not using the D5 convection cover because that's what screwed up my original pump. It cut through the wires, and when I plugged it directly into the motherboard, it shorted it. So this is an RMA. That's an RMA. EK's customer service has been amazing throughout. Now we come to temps, which this blew my mind. It was just 22 degrees C on the GPU, 32, now it's 25, 30. Okay, so it's hopping. So we'll just say 22 on the GPU and 30 on the VRAM. And then CPU is 40 on the node. It was 38. I find the 5950X just runs hot. Doesn't matter what I'm doing. Everything is stock. I don't do custom overclock. PBO2 is enabled, XMP is enabled. But yeah, this is my baby. This is 8 months in the making. Finally done. I love it. And I mean, I've used this already in one form or another. I had a soft tube loop temporarily while I waited to finish it. I've spent way too much time, too much money on this. I have a bunch of spare fittings, so if anyone needs anything, let me know. It's all black chrome. I just love black chrome. It's shiny without being, I guess, bright. Anyway, I wanted to make a video instead of images just because kind of see the pictures. So that's Poison. Another preset I would really like is Winter. So it's white. So yeah. Oh, and I took someone's suggestion and I routed the GPU underneath as opposed to the side. I will say one thing, with all the lighting and all the hubs and everything that's shoved in the back, this is a pain in the butt. Like, seriously, to stuff the cables. It's not pretty back there. I did as best I could and then I just kind of shoved. But yeah, I'm excited to use this fully. I'm editing videos is a lot of fun on this thing, fast as hell, and now with DaVinci Resolve 17.4 enabling CUDA for the free version means I cut down on a 25-minute video from roughly 30 minutes of rendering off the CPU to like 5 on the GPU. So yeah, I'll definitely be putting this on builds GG and PC Part Picker. I'm gonna try and make a green lighting setup. I decided I want to call this Borg. I don't know why. Maybe it can be Locutus. Anyway, it's long enough. Hopefully this uploads to Reddit. Thank you to 𝐂𝐪𝐮𝐢𝐩𝐦𝐞𝐧𝐭. Super shout out to him on Reddit. He's helped me so much over the last few months. Really cool dude for not knowing him from anything. Complete strangers, but now friends on the internet, hopefully. Anyway, I'm tired. It's early Sunday. Peace out.